Hello again. So we are at the garage now, and where all the fitting will be done for the parts. Kindly enough, my mechanic is doing all the fitting for me free of charge. Hello Dale.
Yeah, Vince.
And he's the mechanic who's going to put everything on. I'm going to go for now, and I'll do another clip when the car is on the ramps and show you what we're doing and how we're getting on. Thanks.
Where the plugs through. Are we doing the brakes today?
Yeah, and the brake fluid as well. Do the diff today as well. I'm just gonna not do the gearbox oil because the sealant hasn't come through yet.
Okay.
I think they're the front ones in the red packing. And
Okay.
Leave the gearbox on.
Yeah. Is that the thingy sump as well, though?
That's gearbox and engine.
What about the diff sump?
The diff sump is. Oh. This is for the air compressor. These bushes. Basically, when the air compressor is working, there's a bit of vibration. With these should stop it.
Oh, okay.
Common problem. They wear out.
Yeah, yeah. The little pliers in there.
Discs are pretty bad. They're warped. You did the pads in January, but they shouldn't have been done without the discs, because they wrecked the discs.
Yeah, yeah.
New pads and all discs. Again, pretty bad on this side. Another common problem with the Ls430 is the air suspension. It can fail. I have been advised to carry spares, but obviously this is too big to carry. And I think on this one I'm just going to chance it and hope that it's okay for my trip.
So how do you...
The cars are fairly good. I think they should be okay. Plenty of tread on them, and they're all the same. They're all big stones. have got a brand new set at home should I need them, but that will be in August. I'm getting the pads and the discs done now because it will allow them time to bed in. I don't want to be doing heavy braking on them, and also getting the discs warped again. They're the new discs out of the packaging. Lovely. These were the first things, well, the first bits I bought were the front discs. After that, I discovered that if you want Lexus parts, just ring up Toyota and give them the part number. They're not allowed to sell you Lexus parts knowing that it's a Lexus, but if you give them the part number, they'll sell it to you. And I realized there's not much difference between genuine parts and aftermarket, so I just, after the front discs were bought, everything else has been bought from dealer. I'm just cleaning the discs before putting them on. I think they've lowered the car because it's easier to put the discs on when the car is down, as they're quite heavy. Sorry?
Put this in park? Yeah. You did? Yeah. Why?
Because you can't take the key out otherwise.
Huh?
Can't take the key out otherwise.
No, you, with the gears?
You have to wait till part to take the key out.
Oh, for the gears, yeah. You can't take the key out otherwise.
Why?
You need to neutral to do the back. Go on, I'll have to just do the front, do it.
Yeah, I'll just shift lock it, I'll do it.
And then you can't push the pedal down.
No, but you can just shift lock it, yeah. It's done. They'll learn something new.
And it's been new, eh?
Can we hold it?
No, it's alright. No, you can get this way. Golf Victor 52 Kilo CIP.
Run into a little problem where we need to change the shoes at the back as well. They are worn out and the handbrake cable has a lot of travel on it before it actually catches. So I'm just thinking, once this is all opened up anyway,
I'll just dead last.
it's best to just change it.
Yeah, it's the same.
Same, yeah?
Yeah.
How do you tell if it's worn out?
Look, if you should have pads on. Let's see this side.
Well,
See how you got. Usually they come with like,
Thickness.
yeah.
Alright, okay. So does this part push out?
Yeah. Lock into there. I think it's only been running on a little bit of that anyway.
Even the rear pads were not bad at all, but and they were Brembo. Yeah, you can see the groove on them made from the discs, which were not good. The discs must have had a lip, and of course that happened to the pads. Doing the anti-roll bar link.
You need all the one.
No, he's got him already. Everything.
I think collecting parts is January. Been collecting everything from January, so you can imagine. It's an exciting trip for me.
We can do make a vlog every day.
Well, there's going to be 2 sets of video. One will be the dash cam for the whole trip, and the other will be like me doing little clips.
Little bits and bobs.
Sorry?
Just this knee side here.
Okay, yeah, just change that then.
Wait for him to take that side off.
Well, you do the brake fluid after you've done the discs.
Do I?
The brake fluid.
Yeah. So you've done all, because you've got those ones off at the back. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Anti-roll link.
Just spray something on the sides.
That's for the debush.
Yeah, just to get them really dirtied up. Yeah, no, that's job.
What's this bar called that runs across the 2?
Just anti-roll bar.
Oh, okay. And the link is what connects them, yeah?
Yeah, the drop links called these
New drop links going on.
anti-roll bar. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, we've got the bottom one after that. No. Yeah, on this one, yeah.
Okay. GT.
Roll bar links on. They're going to be doing the debushes. Just a couple of things I wanted to show you, which is, well, the diff. As you can see, the hole has completely rounded off. So we'll have to drill it to get it out. Well, this is the drain. The drain plug, and at the top there is the fill plug.
If you don't tighten the bottom, so we'll have a little bit of what? Yeah. Lift that up. What have you done that side so
Yeah, I thought you just need to do the
Oh, you've left that loose.
Yeah, just
Another common problem in this car is the gearbox cooler pipes, which are running from there. And there's one of them. And there's the other. They run into the radiator, which cools down the transmission fluid. Common problem is the pipes corrode and the water and the transmission fluid mixes, which causes a transmission failure. But on this car they look in decent condition and I won't be changing them. You can buy an external radiator which just sits there in front of the AC condenser, and there's a homemade way around it to prevent that from happening. But I won't be doing that on this occasion. Maybe in a couple of years when the condition of the pipe gets worse, I will think about changing them rather than doing the external radiator. I think my number plates are here now. Putting new plates on, GB ones. Back discs going on. As you can see, because they're genuine, there's a big difference in the quality of them. They've got the layer on them as well, sealing. And the front ones don't. I should have got these genuine ones as well, but never mind.
on the pump, yeah, we'll take off any